Welcome to lesson 4.4. In 4.4 we're going to look at formulas, and for this lesson it's called ticket price formulas. We're also going to look at items such as wrap text, format, cell, using the number sign, the sum formula, the multiplication formula, and then we're also going to use a tool called show formulas so that you're able to see all your formulas that you have on a page at once. And then we'll continue with some of the other items that we used throughout this lesson. Now, jumping into the Google Sheets, what we'll do first is we're going to come into Sheets. I'm going to open up our worksheet. Next, you're going to go ahead and we're going to merge this section here, A through D. So go ahead and click on your merge button, just like I did there. And then here you're going to type in entertainment sales in Detroit. Next, we're going to come down to this section here, and we're going to type in section. You're going to type in amount sold. In a year. And then in C, I would like you guys to place in there ticket costs. And in the last one, we're going to type in total sales. Alright, after you have typed in the top right here that I have events in Detroit, amounts sold in tickets, and ticket costs and ticket sales, next we're going to come over into this section here and we're going to place in the events. So go ahead and put those in. Once you have these in to your Google Sheet, next we're going to go ahead and come over here. We're going to place in the amounts. I've already gone and done so, and I'm going to show you guys those now. Make sure that when you place these in, you put them in just as I have them here. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go and change the size of this font so we can see it a little better. The font size is going to be 16, which will cause us to have to make some adjustments. So the first adjustment we're going to make is to cell A, and we are going to drag this over until the longest item fits. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to click here in B2, and we're going to use wrap text. So we're going to go to format, and we're going to go down to where it says wrapping, and we're going to choose wrap text. And we're going to do over in C, we're going to just open that up a little bit like I have done there. And it looks like I've spelt the word sales wrong, so I'm going to come back and fix that and let you guys go ahead and get those items in. Coming back, I'm going to show you guys the ticket costs. And the ticket costs for the events I placed in as this. You guys can go ahead and pause and place those in. Now I'm going to move over to changing these numbers here and actually making them into a number with a comma. And I'll show you how easy that is. You highlight your cells and you're going to go up to format, and then you're going to come down to number, and all you're going to do is come all the way down to the bottom where it says custom number format, and you'll click here. And the number sign is going to represent your numbers. So we have 6 numbers out there, and we want to make that in the hundreds of thousands so that our sample will look like this. That is what you'll do for that section. And for our next section, we're going to start with formulas. So the first item you're going to do is you're going to have to place in the equal sign. And Google will automatically say, hey, I am recognizing that you have two numbers here. I think you want to multiply them. And we do. But I'm going to walk you through this process first. We are going to do Shift B, and we're going to do a 3. We are going to do the number sign, or the multiplication sign, which is a 8 with the shift, and then we're going to type in C3 and press enter. Now Google will also ask you if you would like to autofill them, and in this case we are going to say okay. So now we have to expand this cell again to make it a little bigger so we can see it. And then in the next section, we're going to come down here and we're going to type in total entertainment. And to get the total entertainment cost, we are going to use the sum tool. So to get the sum tool, we are going to come here and we're going to click on this. We're going to click on sum, and we're going to highlight from the top all the way to that 13, and we're going to press enter, and here is our total. Now the next thing we're going to do is we are going to go and color this in yellow, and we will make the top part where Detroit is a teal. We're also going to center that. And we're also going to come down here and make all of this our Georgia font. And make sure that it is our 16. And the last thing I want you guys to do is down here in this section here, because this is our total number, we're going to make that font color a red. So we need our font to be red. And once you have this done, you are complete. Oh, let me show you one more thing. Let me show you how to view your formulas. To make sure that your formulas are correct, you can click on Show Formulas, and this will show you your formulas inside of your document. When you are done, go ahead and turn this in. This is 4.4.